Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you legally control the device. This is essential. Once done, make a full backup and ensure uninterrupted power, because hardware procedures can brick storage. Next, identify the exact eMMC or SoC vendor and firmware revision so you know which management interfaces and vendor tools apply. You will not attempt secret extraction yet. Instead, gather metadata and vendor documentation to choose the safe, supported path forward. You should now assess recovery methods that are supported and non-invasive. Consult vendor service tools and signed firmware update paths. These often provide authorized key provisioning or reset without exposing secrets. Understand whether the RPMB key resides inside a secure element, TPM, or fused eMMC area. This determines what's feasible. Make sure to collect provisioning records and device logs. They may show whether a key was published, or finally, follow the vendor-approved recovery or reprovisioning flow. Request signed images or authenticated reset steps, and record every action for audit. If the vendor cannot help, escalate to the OEM or an authorized repair center rather than trying low-level extraction. Once finished, verify device integrity and re-encrypt storage if keys changed. Troubleshooting tip. If things fail, stop and contact vendor support with device logs and serial numbers. Continuing blind low-level attempts often destroys data or voids warranties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.